Kevin, this is John, and we're doing our project on how to set up a wireless bridge.
So we're using a product called Radwin, and each side of the bridge will have two units, an ODU or outdoor unit and an IDU indoor unit, and together they create each side of the bridge. Let's take a closer look. Here we have the ODU again. But what's significant is on the back side we have the transceiver fixed right to the antenna in a weatherized unit. So the transceiver is actually outside with the antenna, which is important because we don't have all the loss of dB loss between the transceiver and the antenna. They're together. And we connect our Ethernet cable into here, which goes right into the IDU. Here we have the IDU, again with the ODU port and the LAN port. We just plug right into there. And it's significant because this is a PoE port. This is where the transceiver in the ODU is getting its power from. Then we just take our other Ethernet cable that goes into the LAN port here, and this can go into your computer or hub or access point or what have you. Okay, here's some stats about the Radwin WL1000. 24 maximum power 24 dBm, antenna gain 22 dB, cable loss 1 dB. So the EIRP is as high as 45 dBm or 31.6 watts. Channel width can be 5, 10, or 20 megahertz, and it can go a distance of up to 50 miles.
Alright, so for our demonstration, it's going to be an indoor demonstration. Each of the ODUs or the outdoor units come with these mounting brackets here. So we're just mounting them to the mast, like this one here. And the ODU is going to sit right here.
So here we have what will be the campus side or the base side. And then all the way down there is the remote unit.
Alright, so right now we're configuring the remote site. We have from the ODU Ethernet, well, the ODU back to the IDU. From the IDU we have our power here, and then we have the crossover cable into the laptop. This is just for the configuration. Once we get it configured, this is the remote site, so the IDU will be connected and set up to a laptop, to an access point or wireless router, however many people need to get onto the internet.
So now, to set up a link, we click on the link button here. And we have to have a name for the link. This needs to be the same on both sides. And then we choose a band. We're going to use single band and choose a frequency. And once we have this link, the ODU starts beeping. And as we turn it, it lets us know we can tell that it's lining up by when it changes beeping. When it goes to 3 short beeps, then we know it's happy. There it goes. It's happy. Okay, once we get the rapid beeps, then we can come in here and configure the link. This is just a wizard that we walk through here. Now it's activating the service, and we're going to have link here in a second. And there we go. We have a link between both sites. So here we have Kevin's laptop. We got the link created, and you can see that we got the crossover cable here going from Kevin's laptop into the LAN port of the IDU. Right here, our IDU unit. Got all green lights here, link, ODU, IDU, so everything's happy. Kevin's going into here. His signal is coming into the LAN port there. It's coming out the ODU and going to the antenna, going over to the other side, and then he's getting on our college network that way. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, let's take a look. We can open up a command prompt here and see if we got an IP address. Kevin's going to type in ipconfig. Yep, there we go. Got an IP. Now he's going to try to ping out to the internet. He's pinging Yahoo, so he's on. Now we're going to do some testing here. We did a speed test through here out to speedtest.net, and it looks like we got 5 up and 5 down, so basically a symmetric connection, symmetric link, 5 up and 5 down. We're also going to attempt to do a quad band where we use a wider a band width. And with quad band we do a speed test, and we get double. So we see a significant improvement as we go with a wider channel, which is an option with this product. So what do we do now? What is the end game? Well, the college, you know, we have the school and we got off-campus housing. So what we're going to do is, you know, put a radio on each building and create a link across there. And then we're going to add a network on the other side, a hub, and add an access point. And then we can start putting our network equipment out there, and the folks in the off-campus housing will have a connection back to the campus and use their network. Everyone will be happy.